Hello, and welcome to this module on 4 dimensions of service management. We shall be continuing our discussion on dimensions of service management. The third dimension of service management is partners and suppliers. Every organization and every service depends on some extent on services provided by other organizations. Relationships between organizations may involve various levels of integration and formality. This ranges from formal contracts and clear separation of responsibilities to flexible partnerships where parties share common goals and risks and collaborate to achieve desired outcomes. One method an organization may use to address the partners and suppliers dimension is service integration and management. This involves the use of a specially established integrator to ensure that service relationships are properly coordinated. Service integration and management may be kept within the organization, but can also be delegated to a trusted partner. Factors that may influence an organization's strategy when using suppliers include strategic focus, corporate culture, resource scarcity, cost concerns, subject matter expertise, external constraints, demand patterns. The last decade has seen an explosion in companies that offer technical resources, like infrastructure, or capabilities, like platforms or software, as a service. These companies bundle goods and services into a single product offering that can be consumed as a utility and is typically accounted for as operating expenditure. This frees companies from investing in costly infrastructure and software assets that need to be accounted for as capital expenditure. Value streams and processes is the last dimension. The fourth dimension of service management is value streams and processes. Like the other dimensions, this dimension is applicable to both the SVS in general and to specific products and services. In both contexts, it defines the activities, workflows, controls, and procedures needed to achieve agreed objectives. The service value chain operating model is generic, and in practice, it can follow different patterns. These patterns within the value chain operation are called value streams. We have discussed the 4 dimensions of service management. In the next module, we shall be continuing our discussion on the other concepts of service management. Goodbye.